Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find Minecraft folder in Windows 10, so you can easily access your saves, mods, and resource packs. Step 1. Open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing Windows +E on your keyboard. This is where all your files and drives are stored, and it's the first place to start. Step 2. Click on this PC on the left side panel. This shows all the drives and main locations on your computer, making it easier to navigate. Step 3. Open your main hard drive, usually labeled C. This is where Windows and most programs, including Minecraft, are installed. Step 4. Click on the Users folder. This folder contains all user accounts on your computer, each with their personal files and settings. Step 5. Open your username folder. This folder is specific to your account, and it stores your documents, downloads, and hidden folders like AppData. Step 6. Click the three dots at the top of File Explorer and select Options. This allows you to adjust how files and folders are displayed, which is necessary for the next step. Step 7. Go to the View tab in the new window. The View tab controls how you see files and folders, including hidden ones that aren't normally visible. Step 8. Enable Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. This is important because the AppData folder is hidden by default, and you won't see it without this setting. Step 9. Click Apply, then click OK. This saves your changes so that hidden folders become visible in File Explorer. Step 10. Open the AppData folder that now appears in your username folder. AppData contains important program data, including Minecraft settings and mods. Step 11. Go into the roaming folder inside AppData. The roaming folder stores game files that need to move with your account if you log into another PC. Step 12. Open the Minecraft folder to access all your Minecraft files. Here you can add mods, resource packs, and backups of your save files to customize your game experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.